Hey guys, welcome to this free training, and if you are a cleaning business, you are going to want to listen to this. I'm going to show you how to get high quality leads for your cleaning business using Google. And here's the thing guys, everybody uses Google to find products or services. And as a cleaning business, there'll be people going to Google and they will be typing in how to find a cleaner near me. Cleaning services, office cleaning, warehouse cleaning, gym cleaning. This is going to be a brilliant training for you guys. I'm going to dive in and I'm going to show you how to grow your cleaning business using Google. In the meantime guys, if you want to learn more about this stuff, hit the subscribe button. We've got loads of free training coming up. So let's dive in. So guys, here's the thing, right? As a cleaning business, to get new clients, leads and customers, people are going to go to Google. They're going to type in things like cleaning service, office cleaning, gym cleaning, warehouse cleaning. What you need to do then as a cleaning business is you need to then put your ad on Google by using terms like, do you need a cleaning service? Are you an office? Need cleaning? Right? Do not use words like free quote, best prices guaranteed. Do not use terminology like that because it's been done to death, guys. Everybody does it. Cleaning has been around for such a long time that you need to make your cleaning business sound new, exciting and different. So let's run through some of the real cool things and best things you can do for your cleaning business using Google. So first thing you're going to need guys, if you do not have one already, is you need to set up a Google Ads account. Now do not worry, right, because I've got an in-depth free training in the description below that shows you how to set up and how to use Google and all that great stuff. So don't worry about that just yet. Go and check out the free training in the description. The second one guys is have a think as a cleaning business and make a list of all the different types of cleaning services that you offer. So start making a list like gyms, warehouses, factories, schools, hospitals, offices. And then what you're going to do then is you're going to go onto Google and you will put your ad on Google and you will be attracting your ideal customer that wants your cleaning services. And by doing that, you are going to put in your ad into your advert, office, gym or warehouse. And now here's the clever thing guys, this is the most important thing to do, is when someone goes to Google, right, you need to have what's called a keyword. Now a keyword is what people are going to be typing into Google to find your business, right? So they will be typing into Google office cleaners near me or warehouse cleaning or cleaning services, and then you put your ad using those keywords in front of your ideal client. So I hope this is making sense guys, because Google is by far the most powerful platform that you can use if you are serious about growing your cleaning business. It's not like Facebook ads or Instagram ads or LinkedIn. People are actually searching for your cleaning services. You just need to have the right strategy and understand these things and these points here to make you successful and make your cleaning business successful. So make a list of all the different cleaning services you offer, and then we're going to put those different services into your ad. Now, second thing is guys, and I touched on it a minute ago, is you want to make sure that you are sounding different, new and exciting from all the other cleaning businesses out there. As I said before, how many times have you probably seen cleaning services offer things like free cleaning quote or best cleaning prices? You know, don't do that. Be very smart. Be what the top 5% of marketeers and online marketing successful people do, as they do not use that same terminology. So if you're a cleaning business, you could say something like, we have cleaners near you. They're looking for local cleaners. So cleaners near me, or we can provide cleaners within 2 miles of your building or your warehouse or your factory or your office, right? So you're sounding different to everybody else. Next thing is, a big one, right, is as a cleaning service business, people are going to be looking for local cleaners that are near them. So bear that in mind. So what you can do now as a cleaning business, you can put your ad on Google and you can say things like, do you need a local cleaner? Do you want a cleaner near you? Can you see how that's different from all the other cleaning businesses that use things like free quote or best prices, right? You are making yourself different from other cleaning businesses. Now, the next one is, and which kind of follows on for the other point, is be new, guys. New, exciting. Cleaning services has been around for donkey's years, right? So you need to make it sound fresh, exciting, and that is where your terminology and your message will come in when you are trying to attract your ideal customer or client for your cleaning business, guys. So I hope all this has kind of made sense. As I say, I've got loads of free training in the description below. Go and check it out, guys, and this will help your cleaning business to be successful on Google. So hit the subscribe button if you want to learn more, and hopefully I'll see you on the free training, guys. Have a good day.